The Kashmiri language is rich in idioms which have no literal meaning when their words are separated, and it's very important to learn these idioms in order to be a part of the normal day to day conversation. There are several sentences which, once broken into their constituent parts, do not mean anything. For example, someone would say, "Tse chhatha batak pot khemaj." So you would not know what he means by this sentence. Or, for example, Yichu alif lal wanan. Again, knowing the meaning of this sentence is very difficult unless you focus on the idiom itself. So, this video is going to tell you about the top most idioms used in the Kashmiri language in the day to day usage. So, let's get started. Alif Lal Vanan, to narrate the tales of Alif Lala, signifies a situation when someone is telling a story with a lot of unnecessary details. Alif Lal Vanan. Hapat Yaras, to befriend a bear, signifies a situation when someone acts stupid in choosing his friends. Hapat Yaras. Shanachi Foran, your shoulder blades are twitching, signifies a situation when someone is calling for unnecessary trouble. Shanachi Foran. Shal Salit Batan Chob, to beat the banks of river after the jackal has run away, signifies a situation when someone acts late and the resultant is wastage of time and resources. Shal Salit Batan Chob. Not Havun, to show your thumb, signifies a situation when someone is trying to cheat. Not Havun. Kokran Chakun Mokt, to scatter pearls before the roosters, signifies a situation when someone is offering something valuable to someone worthless. Alvindyan Thafkarin, to catch hanging person or people, signifies a situation when someone is trying to bank on people who themselves are in trouble. Alvindyan Thafkarin. Asman Pyau the Bonologus Dab. He fell from the skies and had a fall on the ground, signifies a situation when someone who tries to escape a trouble gets entangled into a bigger trouble. Asman Pyau the Bonologus Dab. Bok bok puin khot asmanas, yusme vohve taspanas. The bubbling water reached the skies. One who swears on me, may they get their words back. Generally used by kids in Kashmir, especially those who have not yet started to swear and are innocent. Harmokhuk Gosain, the Jogi of Harmukh, a person who has left behind the worldly belongings and does not participate according to social rules of the society. Harmokhuk Gosain. Batak pot khemuts, having eaten the butt of a duck, signifies a situation when someone is behaving irrationally. Batak pot khemuts.